Hi everyone, welcome to my class of harmony and its levels in universal human values. Harmony in human beings refers to state of balance, peace, coherence within the individuals. It involves the integration of various aspects of a person's being, including their thoughts, emotions, values and actions. Happy situations comprises of feelings such as trust, respect, confidence, etc. All these feelings carry an element of harmony in them. Hence, they make us feel relaxed and happy. When come to the levels of harmony, there are 4 levels. Harmony in individual. It involves the integration of various aspects of a person's being, including their emotions, values, thoughts, and actions. When there is harmony within individuals, they experience a sense of inner peace, well-being, and alignment with themselves and the world around them. Harmony in family. Family harmony is the relationship created within the family that shows intimacy and love between all family members, both children and parents, which is marked by a strong religious life. Togetherness with family members, communication between family members, appreciation and understanding of family members and family. Harmony in society. It refers to a state of cooperation and mutual understanding between individuals and groups characterized by a lack of conflict and sense of unity and stability. It involves the balance and coordination of diverse interests, values, and beliefs to create a cohesive and functional community. Harmony in nature. The term harmony with nature refers to principle of amicable and holistic coexistence between humanity and nature. It is used, in fact, in several contexts, most prominently in relation to sustainable development and the rights of nature, both aimed at addressing anthropogenic environmental crisis. Thank you.